our goal in offering this lecture series is to highlight the ways in which creative and innovative art leaders contribute to the well-being of our society. When we thought about who we should invite to speak this year, it was immediately clear that Jill Medvedow was the perfect choice.
Some lessons from leadership or on leadership. 1, understand what values drive you. What is your ambition and who is your audience? Whose acclaim do you seek? Is it your peers, artists, audiences, critics, donors, funders, elected officials? You probably cannot please them all, so good to know thyself. 2, choose your partners wisely. Build a team that complements your weaknesses with their strengths. Don't believe most of what is written about you, and always surround yourself with people who tell you the truth, albeit kindly. Hiring is destiny. This is also true for your boards, and build a culture where everyone is asked to put the institution before themselves, and as a leader, make certain that they know they can count on you for clarity, vision, honesty, and inspiration. 3, value data. Information really is power, and your decisions will always be better if you have input prior to making them. Make the best decisions you can based on the best knowledge you have at that moment. Embrace controversy. Peggy and I were part of a group that met with the head of the Smithsonian Institution, who is also the founding director of the National Museum of African American History and Culture, an amazing man named Lonnie Bunch. And he spoke to a group of us museum directors here in Boston during the pandemic. And my 2 takeaways from that meeting were the importance of objects to teach history, and his clarity that if you can't embrace controversy, you're in the wrong business if you choose the arts. 5, be brave and take risks. I frequently make the argument that if you work in a contemporary arts institution, you are always taking risks. So this one's kind of a given. But a willingness to think big and be brave in the face of skepticism and the status quo is crucial to change. Leadership frequently means stepping out in front, so you have to go first. You really can't wait for others to do that.